Hello, my name is Maya, and this video has been created as one of the outputs in an Erasmus project, Digital Transformation with STEAM in a Safe Environment. The project will enable students to establish connections between the fields of science, technology, engineering, art, design, and mathematics, and to learn these connections effectively, to be able to produce artistic solutions with an interdisciplinary perspective to problems, and to apply creative solutions in their daily and business lives. The Croatian team has created a curriculum for using artificial intelligence in the classroom and for individual learning on the project's platform. Here, I have concentrated on using AI for writing poetry. During 4 lessons, students will, either with the guidance of a teacher or individually, recognize some of the poetry forms and talk about poetic devices, get to know the app which they can use to help them while writing their own poetry in English, use an AI tool for writing poetry, write their own poems with the help of AI, publish and share their poems on social media sites, also create an infographic about poetry where they can discuss what poetry really is, talk about famous Croatian and American poets, use apps for writing or AI in poetry. Also, they will discuss about the role of poetry and art in general in today's society through a guided bait. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the AI tool called Verse by Verse, which can be reached on the following link. You can open the link by scanning the QR code or writing the link into your browser. It's bit.ly verse by verse poetry. So now I'm going to open the website. So as it says on the front page, this is an AI-powered muse which helps you write your own poetry inspired by classic American poets. So let us click on Let's Write a Poem. First of all, you have a selection of the most famous American poets, and you need to choose up to 3 poets whose work will be used as an inspiration while writing. You can choose between 20 poets, and I will today choose Amy Lovell and Sarah Teasdale. They are going to be my inspiration for writing today. On the right side of the screen, you have access to Poetry Foundation's webpage or Wikipedia webpage, and you also have 1 poem written by the chosen artist. So after we have chosen them, let's see, we are going to click on Next. So now we can work on the poem structure by deciding on the poetic form, syllable count, and rhyme. I will today choose free verse and any syllable count just to make it as easy as possible since I'm not really a very good poet. On the right side of the screen, you can see a short explanation of the chosen form and a sample poem. After clicking on Next, we can start with the actual poem writing. So my first lines are going to be, the clouds have been looking grim. So we had a lot of rain in Croatia lately, so this was the inspiration behind the words. Now, I can continue writing my own, or I can use the suggestions on the right. So here I'm going just to show you. So the clouds have been looking grim. A young love came to the land, for example. Now we can choose again. Glittered a yellow fire from a sweet sunshine. Light of light and quiet in my heart. Young April hushed around the spring. White night and day, lovely light and fair. I'm going to add 2 more and then finish the poem. Beside me in the night and night. And let's finish it off with, just a second, fair as a white flower, luminous and blue. So I'm going to change this comma into a full stop and finish our poem. We now have to add the title to the poem. I'm going to write Lingering Love. I love this one. And then we need to complete our poem. So click on Complete Poem. Now you can choose from the designs on the right, so you can make your poem even more attractive. You can copy the text if you want to, download this as an image, or start writing a new poem. I'm going to show you what it looks like when we download it as an image. So it's really, really nice. I love this. I hope that you like this AI tool and that you will use it to create your own poems in the future. Just a second. So if you like this one, I need to go back with the presentation. I hope that you can follow us. And here are also some of the outputs which are intended for the project. As you can see, we have created digital learning curriculums in robotics, artificial intelligence, artistic view, virtual reality, 3D printing, Internet of Things, design modeling, and games. We will also create the similar videos as I have created today, simulations and games. And there will be a digital platform for learning, which you can use for writing, reading, doing 3D printing, and things that I have already mentioned. So, if you like the project, you can follow us on social media or visit the project's webpage. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.